Dividing decimals by first rewriting them as equivalent whole numbers. A jug containing 4.8 litres of juice is shared equally into glasses that hold 0.3 litres. How many glasses can be filled from the jug? If we've got 4.8 litres altogether and it's shared equally into glasses that hold 0.3, that's going to be a division sum. We always write our division sum in this way, 4.8 divided by 0.3. A reminder that this little line here really is just the 4.8 on the top and the 0.3 underneath. That's this line here with the number on the top and the number underneath. Before we continue, we would like to rewrite our fraction as whole numbers. If you notice here, we've got 4.8. To make that into a whole number, we could times it by 10, and that would make it 48. If we times the top of our fraction by 10, we need to multiply the bottom of our fraction by the same number in order to keep the fraction the same or equivalent. So an equivalent fraction to 4.8 divided by 0.3 is 48 divided by 3. To continue our calculation, we'll now find the prime factorisation. 3 is a prime factor, or prime number, so that doesn't matter. But 48 can be split up. 48 is 2 times 24. 2 is prime. 24 is 2 times 12. 12 is 2 times 6. And 6 is 2 times 3. If we're going to rewrite 48, it can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. That's divided by 3. We're now looking to simplify the situation by looking for common factors on the numerator and the denominator. We have a 3 divided by the 3, which makes 1, and therefore our fraction has been simplified. Let's see what that comes out to be. 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. That would be 16 over 1, or 16 glasses.